Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Welcome back to my channel with another very beautiful video of hand embroidery designs for dresses. All of these are very beautiful, different stylized patterns of neckline that could be specifically designed onto your dresses. And the dresses could be any as per your choice, like formal, casual, everyday, comfortable, daily wear, as per your own choice. But before going into the further details and depth of the design ideas and the patterns, I have a request that please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my videos. And we never intend or reclaim someone else's work as our own. The basic purpose and motive and idea behind making videos and sharing these design ideas with you is to share creativity and beautiful patterns with the lovers of hand embroidery, with the beginners of hand embroidery, and with the artists of hand embroidery. So now let's move back to our main content and main idea. Guys, the beauty and creativity of these design ideas is vast and multi-dimensional because you can make use of these patterns to embroider onto your sweatshirts, t-shirts, blended organic sleeveless shirts, any type of top, kurti, shirt, kameez, and type of blouse neckline could be designed with the help of very beautiful patterns of these. And the more creativity and more DIY dimension is that if you have already in use plain fabric or plain color shirts in use, then you can those use shirts renewed with the help of following these type of beautiful, simple and easy beginner friendly patterns. The different color combination floral based threads are inspired from nature friendly multi-dimensional colors. You can also use shaded fabric for making these dyed fabrics for making these beautiful patterns of embroidery along with the different type of minimal touch of jacquard fabric or light sort of printed fabrics. And you can use anchor DMC and even wool for embroidering these patterns. I hope that you like the ideas and designs. So stay tuned for the new and latest upcoming more and more new videos. Thank you so much for watching.